Hey friends, thank you for joining me for some reading today. So today we're going to read a story called Sort It Out. So I'm looking at the title and looking at the illustrations, and I see a whole bunch of buttons. So this story is going to be about how we can sort all of these items, how we can sort objects and animals into categories. Some things are alike, some are different. We can sort things by looking at what is the same about them. We can sort them by their size, shape, and color. Find the buttons in this picture. Let's sort them. So take a look at all the buttons. There's a lot of different categories of buttons because there's a lot of different kinds of buttons. How many round buttons can you see? How many square buttons can you see? What other shapes do you see? Add up the number of red buttons. Are there more red or more yellow buttons? Can you find buttons with 4 holes? How else could you sort these buttons? So what you can do now is you can pause the video and you can actually answer some of those questions. You can look around at the picture. How many round buttons do you see in the photo? How many square buttons do you see in the picture? And are there any other shapes of buttons? And how many red buttons are there? Are there more red or are there more yellow buttons? All right. We can sort animals too. We can sort animals by features. Which animals have 4 legs? Which animals have 2 legs? Which have none? Which animals have patterns? Which animals have yellow? Which are bigger than you are? So what you can do now is you can pause the video and you can answer all of those questions. You can just look at the picture and answer them. So which of the animals have 4 legs? Looks like we have some tigers, an alligator, elephant, some ducks, and a polar bear, monkey, flamingos and frogs, a koala, a bird, a giraffe, and a lion. And then some sea creatures over here, a shark, a jellyfish. All right, we can classify animals by type. Which are birds? Which are reptiles? Which are mammals? What other types of animals can you see? So you can pause the video and you can find all the birds and you can find all the reptiles and the mammals. All right. Sorting is a lot of fun. Let's sort things in this scene. Think about what they have in common. Which of these things have wheels? Which eat food? Which of these things can fly? Which of these things have stripes? Which have windows? Which would you play with? So take a look at the picture, pause the video, answer these questions. Which of all these things in the picture have wheels? Which ones eat food? Which ones can fly? There are lots of ways to sort the things in this scene, in this picture. Think of as many ways as you can. So when you take a look at this picture, or when you take a look at this picture, or when you take a look at the button picture, try to come up with your own ways to sort all of the objects or the animals that you see. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a good day.